Each fresh food door of your French door refrigerator has a magnetic gasket that slides into a grooved retaining channel, creating a tight seal against the metal door. Should you need to replace the gasket, just follow these simple steps to ensure a proper new seal. Begin by soaking areas of the new gasket in a sink or tub full of hot water for a few minutes. This will make it more pliable and easier to install. Next, remove the old gasket. Begin at any corner of the door and firmly pull the gasket out of the retaining channel until it's entirely removed. Be sure the new gasket is thoroughly dry before you install it. Starting at one of the top corners of the door, firmly press the rigid edge of the gasket into the grooved retaining channel on all sides until it's snug. For a better seal, consider applying a thin coat of petroleum jelly on the inside of the gasket. Close the door and check for a proper seal.